Good day guys, welcome to Mike Network Coding. It's Mike Gaga, and in this class we are going to be talking about chart selectors. The chart selectors is more like you're selecting an element from another element. So we're just gonna start. So I'm gonna start with a div tag. In our div, going to have a paragraph tag. And here, just gonna put this as a father. Okay, this is the son of Michael. Okay, then down here I'm just gonna give this. I'm just gonna put in a paragraph tag here. He has no father. So looking at this, like I said in our class today, we'll be looking at chart selectors. And chart selectors, this is more like selecting an element from another element to do your styling. So here, looking at this, what we're having here is more like the paragraph tag in our div tag is like the son of the div tag. So it's more like this is the child. The paragraph tag here is like the child of the div tag, and this is just a single tag. It has no dad. It's just a child. Okay, don't mind me. So say I had the div tag containing a paragraph tag, and I just had a paragraph tag now, and I want to style my paragraph tag differently from I want to style the paragraph tag in the div tag differently from the paragraph tag outside of the div tag. Okay, so instead of just going to my CSS and just putting in my paragraph tag and do my styling, because okay, now if I just do this, okay, let's just do it for those of you who would have tried it. I know some of you must have tried. If I just put in give this a color of green, and okay, let's just run this. If I give this a color of green, you can see now that everything turns green, and I do not want everything green. So I want the paragraph tag in our div tag to be blue. But now that I had already selected, here's a typo, I had already selected the paragraph tag, it turned all the paragraph tag to green too. But I want the paragraph tag in our div tag to be blue, and that's more like I want the child of the div tag to be blue. So to do that, to select the paragraph tag in our div tag, first I'm going to put in the father, which is the div, and now the paragraph tag, and open and close our curly braces and give it a color of blue. And when I save this, move back to my browser and click refresh, and there you have it. A paragraph tag in our div tag turns blue. So when you want to select an element in another element, you need to select it according to how you typed in your element. So the first thing we had there was our div tag, and when selecting our element, we have the div tag first, and the second is our paragraph tag, which is like the child, we have it second. Okay, what if we had let's give this second paragraph tag a div closing tag. Okay, I'm just going to save this now. Let's see what happens. Yes, because this is a div tag and this is a div tag. So here I have a div and I set the div. And normally now, what you should understand is that when you have two elements, your CSS takes the element with the parent tag first, because you can see that the first element we styled was our paragraph tag, but when we styled our div tag, which included our paragraph tag, that's the first one CSS went for. So okay, now we have two div tags, and I want to style them differently, so I'm going to use a class for the first one. Let's give this a class of parent, and let's give this okay, let's use an ID for this one. Let's give this an ID of uncle. Okay, let's move back to CSS, and I'm just gonna clear all this. I told you in our previous classes how to use the classes and the ID, so we are going to use the class and the ID to style our div tag, which has an element inside of it. So the first one there has a class. We give that a class of parent, and I want to style the sorry for that, the paragraph tag in our div tag. So I'm going to use in the class now. So the first class is parent, and I'm just going to dot full stop first, parent, and the element of styling, which is the paragraph tag. I open a closing tab. This time I'm going to give it a color of purple. PDP, and save that. Okay, let's see if it works. And yes, it does work. Okay, I'm gonna let's start the other div tag, which is okay, this is an ID, so I'm gonna go back to CSS and remember our hashtag. What was the okay, uncle. Okay, hashtag uncle, and now paragraph tag, quoted braces, and I'll give this a color of yellow. And I'm gonna save this, and I move over to my browser, and here you have it. So that's how to do your styling when you have element in another element. Okay, like you want to style your maybe you're having your navigation, your links. That's how you do your styling when you have an element in another element. So the first thing you do, you pick the parent element, and you tell CSS, okay, in our parent element, I want to style this element, which is an apparent element, and the elements in the parent element here is the paragraph. So that's why I start this first, which is a div tag. Do the CSS. Okay, the first thing I want to style in the paragraph tag, which is in a div tag, but this is where you're gonna come first in a div before you move into the element. But here I use the class, so I just do the CSS. Okay, let's move over to our div, which has the parent, which has the class of a parent, and in our parent, let's move over to the paragraph tag and give it a color of purple. Likewise our ID. So I think that'll be all for now. And as always, please remember to subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment, like, or share my videos. It's really gonna help my channel grow. Please give my videos a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next class. Thank you.